Hi, and welcome to another fit-for-purpose product presentation. In this segment, we'll be talking about Vauth Sagel underbench storage solutions. Any pull-out unit relies on the quality of the runners they slide on, and Vauth Sagel units are built on high-quality, heavy-duty runners. They're designed and made in Germany and a real quality product. This is the VS Subslim, and is one of our favourites because it fits in a cabinet just 150mm wide. So you can turn that odd little space at the end of the counter into really useful pull-out storage. Of course, it's soft close, and that soft close is nice and quiet and smooth. Load capacity is 12 kgs. In the cargo unit, there's a couple of options. One has 2 fixed chrome baskets, and the Planero style, as seen here, has powder-coated steel baskets in a modern dark grey. These units are really popular to store oils and condiments, herbs and spices. You know, the sorts of things you like to have handy where you cook. There's also a couple of special variants. One that's set up to hold baking trays and chopping boards, and one that's a pull-out tea towel rail. Now, a pro tip for this one, if you install it next to the oven, the warmth from the oven helps dry the tea towels out too. And a couple of points here for the kitchen makers and cabinet makers out there. Installation on the VS Subslim is simple, with no tools required to assemble a unit onto the runners. Plus, there's 3D front adjustment to get a really nice cabinet fit.